The police is on their way. They just notified me. There's our police is on his way. Hey, quit.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
To the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Sir, I'm sorry to impose. I'm sorry to impose once again. I've been unemployed for about 6 months. Is it possible you can pay me a couple of dollars to get something to eat?
I wish I could help you, man.
All right.
I know.
Sorry. Have a good night. Sorry. Have a good night.
Sometimes it could be your own friends trying to break into your home. It's sad.
You know I'm at work. You just saw me on the bus stop. So why are you at my house?
It's my house and my stuff in here.
Say, you know that they will call the police automatic because I got my alarm set. The police is on their way. They just notified me. There's our police is on his way. Hey, quit. Say, man. Say. Hey, I'll be off at 11. Go to the house, man. I'm going to call the police on you right now. Fuck that.
I'm staying, bitch. Stop.
Not sure why, but these homeowners are pretty nice to these porch pirates. It's kind of strange.
Hi, can I help you?
No.
All right, can you please get off the property?
I'm not on your property, Mom. I'm about to take off. I'm lighting a cigarette, yo.
Okay, thank you.
You too, Mom. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Maybe they just don't want any further confrontation. But this lady certainly doesn't mind. She scares them off good. Don't forget to double check those doors, car doors and house doors.
Hurry up, puss ass nigga! Hey, who is that in my yard? Get out of my yard!
Not exactly sure what these kids got going on, but I'm thinking it's one of those bang on the door, run away scared pranks.
He's pussy as fuck. Open this door, make it.
Airplane swing found in a suburban.
Can I help you?
Came from Britain's Princess Kate opening up about her cancer battle and how Americans do.
Check this guy out. He comes onto this porch talking a bunch of nonsense. Not really sure what he got going on. He must be on that bad stuff.
Message, you can do it now.
Yes, the message, Taylor Ashley Warren Beaver, is interested in a house. If you want to trade for trade, I guess there's like horses. Not really mine though, but in some desert house around the corner. And by the way, there's gonna be free beer on like hella quick on contact. I mean, it's the gas station right here. It's the old horse stable, and with the that field reel in the preschool that we just did. Is making that thing go away. So a lot of cool free stuff. Thank you.
Let me know what you guys think about this one. Does this guy need some help or is this some kind of trick?
Please, help me. Help me. I don't want to die. I'm gonna keep fighting. And they kill me. I want to die tonight.
Really sad if he does need help. It's 5 in the morning. I don't think Unc really trying to get involved in with anything he has going on. Some people just really hate what you have. Why come to this house just to destroy their pots?
Who's that? Who's that?
Shit. You better fucking watch your fucking self, bitch.
Hey, hey, I'm outside, bro. Come on. Come on, right here, nigga. On my dead homies, nigga. Right here, nigga. I'm outside, nigga. This my shit, nigga. I'm outside my crib, nigga. Come on. I'm about to right now. Right now. Stay on the phone, bro. Look. Hey. Hey. Just so you know I'm not lying, bro. On my son, bro. Bro. How y'all fucking his bitch and he fucking your peoples, gang? Fully. Come outside. Come outside. I'll let this bitch up right now. Yeah, come outside. Come outside.
Christ. What happened to me, man? Monday evening, Monday. What happened to me? Oh, God. Me not no cigarette, me not no. What buy cigarette now? Oh. Help me out. Brian called me. Jesus Christ, my Brian called me.
Another friendly reminder to make sure you keep these doors locked. You never know what these people have going on. Also, try not to leave any personal information or valuables in your vehicle just in case. Don't forget to lock up these bikes or put them inside. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.